down a back road, long hot summer. A couple kids running loose and wild. And he kissed her, she said, mister, take an inch and I'll give you a mile. I ain't here to do anything halfway, don't give a damn what anyone might say. I just wanna free fall for a while. That red moon is shining, those stars burn like diamonds. Hell-bent on chasing down that crazy spark. I'll follow you where you're leading to the first sweet taste of freedom. You got me running, baby, wild at heart. About midnight, he tells her, I ain't got no come on lines.
Well, I love you, or I'll try to. We got nothing to lose but time.
Slip your hand into my back pocket, light me up like.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this fridge granola recipe. My kids really like it, and it's one I found online and have modified over the years. And so once you get it pressed really good into your 9x13, you're going to want to put it in the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours. Overnight is really best. It needs to stay refrigerated because the coconut oil is what helps keep it together. So I usually just cut it into squares. Inevitably there's going to be some crumble no matter what, but you should save those because they're really good. Just I usually throw them in a Ziploc bag, and they're good to put on coconut yogurt or on your banana ice cream, or just to eat plain. We actually always used to fight over them, over who would get them, because I wanted to claim them. But yeah, it makes a lot. They're good to just keep in a Tupperware or a Ziploc bag, and they're just a great snack. So I hope you enjoyed. So please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys for the next recipe.
That red moon is shining,